Facebook story music not available are showing. Don't worry, here's the fix. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have opened up to a story section where you can see there is music, text, boomerang and many more other options which you can set it to your story. Right now the music option is available for my story, but if you are unable to get this, then that will be due to various reasons. So the first thing is you may not have got an up-to-date version of Facebook. So for that, just go back and you have to open up to a Google Play Store and just tap on the search bar and search for Facebook. So once you search for that, you'll be able to see this application. If any updates are available like this, then just tap the tab over the update and you'll be able to update your Facebook, and with that update you'll be able to get the music option on your story, and you can go back and check after the update you'll be able to fix your problem. But if you are still unable to fix the problem even though you update your Facebook, then the second thing is you need to refresh your Facebook. For that, simply go back and you have to press and hold over Facebook and go for app info. Under this you have to go for storage and cache and simply clear the cache over here. And by doing that also you'll be able to refresh your Facebook application and you'll be able to fix your problem. You just can go back and check, you'll be able to get that. So with this simple two fixes you can fix Facebook story music not available or showing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.